Good morning, everybody. It's no longer morning. Good afternoon. Welcome back to your daily XRP update. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. And I'm doing fine myself. A little bit hungover, but that's part of life. But yeah, in this video we'll take a look at XRP again. Relatively bullish today, actually, in a market that is overall pretty quiet. What we've seen is that the volume in the markets has dropped down by 50% over the last 24 hours, which is pretty crazy. And overall, it has actually dropped down quite a bit, like more than I would have expected after the week we had. But in the end, it's summer and the market is pretty quiet, actually. Even though we are fairly bullish, it's pretty quiet in terms of volume. But yeah, XRP pretty bullish today. Most of this bullish momentum came at around this move right here, or at 12 o'clock. Looks a bit manipulated. But in the end, I mean, there's enough fundamental reasoning for why we would be bullish, and we are actually at a crucial level right here around 70, 75, 76 cents. So we'll talk about that because that level is absolutely key to what's going to happen and whether we can actually get some bullish momentum again for XRP. So that's what we'll talk about in this video. But before we dive into that, if you didn't know, I'm also a full-time profitable trader. So if you want to receive daily trading signals and join our group of traders, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, as you can also see from the top. But all right, now onto XRP. So a quick recap. What happened 2 days ago, I think Friday, yeah, 2 days ago, is that we had a bearish breakout. We gave up our main support level at around here with the 382 fib as well, around 75 cents. So now technically what's happening is that we're just having a retest, right? So right now I know it's weird to say, but I would actually say we are bearish on the short term because of that bearish breakout and retest. But there's absolutely a chance that we'll break above this level right here. So now the main level is between, I would say, 77 and 75 cents. So what you have there is several levels, right? So this is the main fib of the move up. You can see that there's a 382 fib at 77 cents. 75 cents is a psychological level, and there's also some older Fibonacci levels there. So that really is the main level. So what we will see today is whether we can break above that or not. And it's pretty difficult, I would say, because I do expect, like usually Sunday, money gets into the market again and you get some volatility and some momentum. And I do expect bullish momentum. It might start with some bearish momentum, but I do expect bullish momentum overall this start of the week. So we'll just have to see. I mean, in the end, it's better to wait for confirmation. So you might not like this, but we'll just have to see whether in the next 12 hours we can break above 77 cents. If we can, then I think we can actually rally back up to our previous resistance levels around 85 and 83 cents. I don't think, at least not initially, perhaps later, but I don't think initially we can rally higher than that. Perhaps later, I mean, if we hold this level and if we actually see more bullish momentum in the markets, perhaps then we could still get to $1, but it looks pretty difficult at this point of time, I would say, to still do that. And on the other hand, like I said, purely technically on the short term, this is actually a bearish confirmation, or at least it could be a bearish confirmation. So if we are not able to break above 75 cents, what will happen then is that we'll just slowly start dropping down further down towards that level, which was also my price target in the last video, around 64 and 63 cents. I would say this is a bit more likely, but it's almost 50-50 in terms of chances. So, like I said, I think it's better to wait for some confirmation if you want to jump into some XRP trades. Could be a good trade to go long after breaking above 77 cents. Haven't thought about that for too long, but yeah, that's my take on XRP for now. So I want to wish you all a great Sunday. Take care and bye.